Hi, in this video, I want to discuss the salary. So first, I want to discuss some of the terminologies regarding salary. Okay, when it comes to salary, we are not just talking about the basic. Okay, there are actually many types of salary. So one of them is basic, which is basically on the based on the attendance of the employee. And then we have the ECOLA, which is stands for Emergency Cost of Living Allowance, and it is one of employees' benefits mandated by DOLE or Department of Labor and Employment, together with minimum daily rate. Other compensation like allowances, profit sharing, and hazard pay. And the last one is incentive, which is actually similar to basic but on different rates. Now, there are some formula that you need to know in HR Tech in calculating the salary. For daily rate, the formula is monthly rate multiplied by 12 divided by working days per year. And monthly rate is daily rate multiplied by working days per year divided by 12. Now, as you can see, working days per year is common on both formula. Okay? So how do we determine working days per year? According to Department of Labor and Employment, here here is how we can determine the number of days per year. For those who are required to work every day, including Sundays or rest days, special days, and regular holidays, number of days per year is 392.5 per year. Okay? For those who do not work and are not considered paid on Sundays or rest days, total working days per year is 313. And for those who do not work and are not considered paid on Saturdays and Sundays or rest days, total working days per year is 261. Okay? So that's how you determine the working days per year. As you can see, it depends on the schedule of the employee. Okay, so how do we implement these terminologies in HR Tech? Okay, to go to salary, all you have to do is to go to payroll and then salary. So once you go to salary, it will display all the salaries that were already entered in the system. Okay, now to enter a new salary, you click add new record. Okay, here you need to select which employee the salary is applied. Okay, for example, we will make salary for Ju Han Yu. Okay, and then here we will select what type is the salary, whether it's equal other compensation or incentive. But by the way, as you can see on this formula, we need to know the working days per year in order to calculate for the monthly rate and the daily rate. Okay, so that is of course applied to both. No? Now, how do we determine the working days per year in HR Tech? Okay, so to determine the working days per year on each employee, for example, Ju Han Yu, there is a schedule. Okay, so the schedule for Ju Han Yu is office. Now, if we go to configuration of schedule, which is office, you'll see that the total working days per year is 313. Okay, so for Ju Han Yu, the total working days per year based on her schedule is 313. Okay, so let me go back again to the salary. Okay, Let's select Ju Hanyu. Next is the effectivity date. So this is actually the date wherein the salary, this monthly rate, is already effective. That means it will already be given to the employee upon doing the payroll. Okay. And then here, you need to select what are the salary type, which I already discussed. Okay. For example, it's basic. Now, if it is other compensation, you need to specify what is that other compensation. So it can be commission, director fee, employee achievement, hazard pay, housing allowance, and other allowances like de minimis benefits and so on. Okay, because actually in Dole, there is what you call the de minimis benefits that is being given, but not all companies are giving this. So it depends on the discretion of the management if this will be given. Okay, but according to Dole, okay, there are what you call the de minimis benefits, or what you call non-taxable income for the employees. So one of them is the laundry allowance, medical allowance to dependents, medical assistance, and so on. So these are actually small amounts, no, that are being given to the employees, and they are not included in the taxable income. Now, to know more about taxable income, please watch my video regarding tax. Okay. So, for example, it is basic. So, if I enter here the monthly rate for Ju Hanyu, for example, I will enter 50,000. So as you can see, automatically the daily rate is calculated. So as I said, the formula for daily rate is monthly rate multiplied by 12 divided by working days per year. So in that case, so monthly rate multiplied by 12. So this 50,000, if we go to the calculator, 50,000 times 12. Okay, to get this will give you the salary per year. Now to get the daily rate, all you have to do is to divide it by working days per year. In our case, it is 313. Okay, so as you can see, it is 196.93290,734, and so on. So in HR Tech, the daily rate is rounded up to 4 decimal places. Okay, but monthly rate is only up to 2 decimal places. So both daily rate and hourly rate are rounded to 4 decimal places. Now to get the hourly rate, all you have to do is to divide the daily rate by 8. So we will divide it by 8. So as you can see, it is 239.6166, which is this. Okay. Now, if I enter the daily rate instead of the monthly rate, for example, this is a daily rate employee on a minimum wage earner. Let's say the minimum wage is, let's say, 450 per day. So as you can see, the monthly rate is automatically calculated, which is based on this formula. Daily rate multiplied by working days per year divided by 12. So if you go to the calculator, so the daily rate is 450 multiplied by 313. So this is the salary per year. If we divide it by 12, it will be 11,737.5, which is this monthly rate. Okay, So, yeah, that's it. That's how easy it is to enter salary in HR Tech. So if you have any question, please put it on the comments below. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.